Hey everyone. Big news. YouTube has removed clickable links in Shorts. This update is shaking things up for the entire community. If you're here, you came from one of our shorts. Thanks for making the extra effort. We appreciate your support. All links to our featured products are in the description box below. Just scroll down and click. Everything you need is right there. Check out Smart Tech Finds for a wide range of products. We've got something for everyone. Remember, all links are in the description of our Click Here to Shop My Shorts video. Don't miss our latest products and special offers. Stay updated. And before you go, enjoy this adorable clip of cute animals. Thanks for watching and supporting our channel. See you next time. Now that you know about the update, you might be wondering how to access our featured products without clickable links in Shorts. Don't worry, we've got you covered. First, head over to our channel's main page. It's easy to find. There, you'll find our Click Here to Shop My Shorts video under the Videos tab. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a list of all our featured products in the video description. This way, you can still easily find everything you need without any hassle or confusion. It's that simple. Thanks for your continued support. We appreciate every one of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Thank you everyone for stopping by. Now, let's enjoy some more cute animal clips. See you in the next video. Take care and stay tuned for more.